Roll rear bar so bottom faces up. Make note of how cover straps attach to latch. Remove cover strap from latch. Set aside to reinstall later. Compress spring and remove cord from latch. Then remove screws, securing latch assembly. Save screws for installation of new latch. Then remove end plug and latch assembly. Save end plug for reinstallation. Remove cord from cord guides. Make note how cord is routed through cord guides. Twist guide to remove from channel. Repeat process to remove latch on opposite side. Next, measure 1/3 the length of rear bar. Twist cord guide to install in channel at that position. Repeat to install cord guide on passenger side. Next, slide spring latch plug into channel with shaft facing end plug. Align hole in spring latch plug with hole in channel approximately 7 inches from end of bar, then secure with screw. Slide spring into channel and onto shaft of spring latch plug. Then insert new latch against spring. Reinsert end plug by gently tapping into rear bar, then secure with screw. Repeat process to install new latch on passenger side. Next, attach new cord to latch. Route cord through cord guides. Insert cord into latch on passenger side. Pull cord tight without compressing springs. Then tighten screw in passenger side latch with Torx wrench until flush. Trim cord. Reinsert cover straps. Finally, test latch operation by closing cover. Lightly pull down on cord and rotate rear bar with other hand.